Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Amanullah Jumaa, the founder of Al-Amanah Academy. I'm a student, a teacher, and an Arabic content creator across all social media platforms. My experience working with Al-ibiewi design to create the website of Al-Amanah Academy was a very wonderful one. Yes, I use the word working with Al-ibiewi design, Brother Zubair. This is because he's not just a person that will take the job, do the job, and deliver it to you. That's not the process. It takes the job and it makes sure you are part of every step in making your job done. It takes you along. It explains everything to you, and this makes it very easier for him to give you what you want. There will be less complaint when you have an Al-ibiewi design to work for you. He explains everything to you. He educates you step by step as he carry on your job. Al-ibiewi design is somebody that pays good attention to details, to your logo, to your explanation, to the color of your brand, to the name. It makes sure it's designed for you reflects your brand. Somebody who knows your brand before, seeing the design that Al-ibiewi will give to you, will immediately know this is your brand because of how the design reflects your brand. That's what Al-ibiewi does. Al-ibiewi, Brother Zubair, is somebody who is very sincere. It takes a job so serious. He is a very professional person. He is very professional with his job. He is always accessible, he is easily accessible. He is online, and when he's not online, when you drop a message, it comes online immediately and respond to your message. It's always there with you before the design, during the design, and after his job for you. He's still there to make sure everything is going fine. He still go through my website and make sure everything is going fine without even me asking him to, or without even my knowledge. And sometimes he message me and say this, I noticed this. And that's something everybody want to see and somebody you want to work for you. So I will always recommend Al-ibiewi design. I will recommend him today, tomorrow, and anytime. I will recommend Al-ibiewi design. So have him to do your job, have him to do your project, have him to create your design, have him to get your website for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.